guys, this is Pal and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a hair tutorial and I'm super excited because it's like I've never done this before, guys. Like I've never done it on my channel. Like I don't know, I just feel like I know nothing about hair. It's because I don't know, I just don't do anything to my hair. I just like tie a messy bun or like tie it in a ponytail and just go to college like that. I don't even brush my hair, guys, so that's like bad, like super bad. Please guys, do brush your hair, I mean really. And I really want to do this, guys. So yes guys, so today I'm gonna be showing how to curl your hair with a flat iron, and it's actually super fun. But if you're a beginner and you've never done this before, it's gonna take you a lot of time and a lot of practice, because it's just that like the first, like if you're gonna do something for the first time, it's gonna be a little bad because you don't know it, but as you guys like practice and practice, it's gonna be better. So yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do curls with a flat iron. Yay! So if you guys want to know how to do your curls with the flat iron, then keep on watching. So these are my natural hair right now, guys. This is how my hair usually is, and I really kind of don't like them because they're super frizzy, guys. Like you've seen my Snapchat stories, like there are like my hair is super frizzy, like, and you'll see baby hair coming out of like everywhere, and I just don't like it. And I sometimes I usually like throw on a wig or something just if I want to look sassy and extra, but like other times I just go up like this. I never really straighten my hair or like use any heat product on my hair. So yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair first a little bit because they are super tangly too, guys. Like I literally brushed them I think 5 minutes ago and they're all tangled again. I just hate this, really. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush them. So they are almost brushed right now, and this is my hair here. So the hair product I'm gonna be using is my flat iron, and it is by Chi. As you can see, it's called CHI. I'm just gonna like go ahead and link it down below if any of you guys want to buy it. So yes, guys, this is the iron, and I'm gonna go. So my hair is actually in layers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split it in half, so I can like get all the curls, and I just don't like missing any part of my hair. It's just not okay. Not okay for me at least. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of tie a half bun, which I kind of don't like it because it doesn't suit me, but it's super rad. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like. So I really don't have any hair clips. I'm gonna go ahead and use my bobby pins because I'm broke when it comes to stuff like ponytails and hair ties and stuff, because I don't know, no matter how much I buy them, they just never last, guys. They just never last. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin these up. So these are pinned, and these are the hair. What? Okay. So yeah, these are my hair that I'm gonna curl first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my other part, which is here. So before moving on to doing my hair, I really want to like show you guys the technique of it, so you guys know how to do it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use this on my hair. So what you guys want to do is you just like want to pull up any of your strand, and what you want to do is just like use it how you straight it. You're gonna come here, down, and here you just want to like kind of twist it and bring it, and just like that. You want like, I'm just gonna twist it as much as you can, and just gonna bring this down, and this is how you're gonna like get loose curls. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug this in, and you guys can see magic on my hair. Yay! It can definitely like put a hairspray on. I just didn't do it because I never really use heat on my hair, so I think it's fine for me to just kind of like do it as it is. But if you use heat a lot, like I mean a lot, then you actually need a hairspray, a hair protecting spray, a heat protecting spray. I'm sorry, why did I say hair protecting spray? Yeah, so you really need a heat protecting spray just so like to protect your hair a little from the heat. So this is the iron, it's plugged in, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and see. and see if, oh, it's actually really heated. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So make sure you actually use very thin strands, because you don't want to go like all thick, and like, because I don't know, but I feel like with curling this flat iron, you really need to take thin strands. So I'm actually gonna be very precise. I'm just gonna take this first and see how this goes. So you're gonna go ahead and straighten it just like how you do, and then you're gonna twist it like from here, and you're gonna bring it down slowly till you reach the ends of your hair. I know it's kind of hard for long hair, because if you have long hair, then I'm sorry, it's gonna take you a lot of time, but that's the technique I actually use it. It's just that you get really good curls, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it here. Here you go. This is how you're gonna actually curl your hair with a straightener. You guys see it? These look super cute, guys, like really. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my second strand. So I don't know, I might actually mess up on this, because it's been a long time I've done it, and if you're gonna do it for the first time or after a very long time, you're gonna mess up. Like, so please bear with me, guys. I'm trying. And you're gonna straighten it first, and then you're gonna twist it like you normally would, and then you're gonna slowly bring it down. I know it's like super like, it's gonna take a lot of time. Here you're gonna take like, so I'm like really at the end, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave it. Here you go, you get curl. They look super pretty, guys, like So yes, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my other hair, and yay. So yes, guys, this is how my hair looks, and I just did this side, guys, and it looks super fun. And actually they get really fun if you know how to do them. Like, it will get fun, guys, I promise. It's just that if you guys like, if you're actually like starting up new and it's your first time, it's actually going to take you a lot of time, and it's just a matter of practice. Like, the more you're going to practice, the more you're going to get good at it. So yay, these look super sassy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next part of my hair. So what I'm going to do is, I didn't even chat to me, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the technique again, so you actually kind of know how I've been doing these. And yes, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this strand of my hair right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it like I usually do. And I'm gonna twist it, and I'm gonna bring it, I'm gonna twist, and I'm gonna bring it down, like totally twisted. I'm gonna bring this down. So here it is, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave it. Here you go, this is the curl. These look super nice, guys. So I'm gonna say this, so you don't have to like really do this to your hair. You can just do a little bit of this, and it's still gonna curl your hair, guys. It's just like, don't pull your hair like don't do that. Like, it's not gonna help. I'm not even kidding. So one thing that I was gonna say, that the curl is gonna go in the direction you're gonna twist it in. So curls you want them, you can just twist it however way you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the other strand. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. So just take it and just straighten it first, and then twist it, and then just keep on bringing it like this, and just twist it, like really twist it, because I'm really twisting it a lot. So yeah, just twist it, and then you reach the end, and then you stop twisting, and here we go, guys. We actually get a good curl finally. So this is how it is gonna work. Like, look at this, guys. They look super nice. I really like them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do the remaining part of it off camera, and I'm gonna be right back. Hi guys, so I am back, and these are how my hair look right now. They look super amazing. I love how they turned out, guys. I wasn't expecting this to be this good, because I'm actually like, I've actually didn't do these for since a very long time. So yes, guys, I love my sassy little curls. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this part right here, which I've never even touched. I'm gonna go ahead and just pin these and see how they are. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and section these hair into two. Oh my god, these really are tangled in a very bad way. I just hate my hair so much. Look at this, guys, really. So these are my hair that's actually left. These are the ones that I didn't do yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and split them because these are like a lot of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split them in half and I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the hair clip. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this part. I'm gonna do this first because I feel like this is really easy. If you do that and if you like do all of them combined, it's gonna be very confusing and messy, and I don't want that because it's gonna like make things more hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use this, do these first. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you the technique again, guys, because these are layered hair and they're like super hard to do. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and kind of do that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take it here. And I'm gonna twist it all. Twist it, and there they are. So these are my magical curls, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do this part and this part off camera, and I will be definitely right back. Hi guys, so I am back and these are my hair right now and they look super nice, guys. I love how, like, I don't know, I just really like how like the way the volume it gives me. That even though my hair is they have a lot, my hair has a lot of volume, guys. They are super like I just don't like them that much, but it's just that it's super fun. I mean, hi. So yes, guys, this is my final hair and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off with a spray. This spray is called Sparkling Soda by Dry Bar. It says that it instantly creates a lightweight high gloss finish, tames frizz and flyaways. And so this is actually for frizzy hair and for glossy finish. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this off, and I'm actually gonna link this down below if any of you guys are interested in buying this. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down. So yes, guys, I just sprayed it and it really gave me this amazing finish. I love my hair so much. So yes, guys, that was it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope this was actually helpful because I really want to help you guys, even though I'm not that perfect at it and I actually messed up. So yes, guys, but I really wanted to help. So yes, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is PALVISHA6, just same as my YouTube name. And you guys can also follow me, add me on Snapchat, and you guys can also add me on Snapchat, which I will link right down below. It is PALVISHA6. So yes, guys, hope you guys see you soon. Bye.